welcome back to my channel. You are thinking that why I have kept this box here. Yeah, today I'm gonna tell you how to make t-shirt gift box. This is much useful to you. This is a thing that you can give to your friend on his birthday or as a friendship, and you can also give this box and keep something inside and give to your father also. So you can see there is a luggage keeping here. You can keep your storage here, and this collar is the lock of this t-shirt box, and this is much useful. You can use it, and also you can use it in a birthday party or any other party. So let's get started and make this origami t-shirt box. So first you will need a A4 size paper of yellow page. I have done these lines because I can show you easily how to do it. First, half it in a rectangular shape like this, then open it, and again take this edge to the middle edge, this edge to the middle edge like this, then again open it and take this edge to the second one edge, and the third thing you have to again take this edge till here also. Then only your t-shirt will be fulfilled and your t-shirt will look great. I'm doing right now. You also do with me, or you can rewind video to make this. So I have made this line also. Now take this line, first line, till the middle edge of the page. I am do it with me, otherwise you will get confused. I am doing it's much enjoyable. So I have folded here. As you can see, I have folded this line, first line, till the middle point. So now turn the page and fold this page like this edge side like this, where the line is shown to you like this. Then take this part till this edge like this and fold it with the help of your hands, but don't rush, otherwise your page will get disturbed. Now open this edge that we fold right now and fold this corner till here like a rectangular shape like this. Do it with the both sides. Here also you have to do the same, and then open the page. Now take this edge till the point of this rectangular point. Don't go more than that like this. Then again do the same method from here also. Take this edge till here. So as you can see, I have folded this from two sides and we got a baseline. Then half it from the middle point like this, so you can get the perfect base. Now make this part and this part as a rectangular shape like this, and then take this edge till these 2 points, and then do it like this. Then open this and fold this whole side like this, and take these triangle till here. I will show you how to do it. See it perfectly like this. I have done it, and fold from here. From the inner side you have to fold it like this and again from here fold it inside and take this corner till here, so you will get your perfect angles. And now you will get these sides, then fold it like this. So as you can see, you will get the sleeves of the t-shirt. And now the main thing we have to do in this is to fold these sides till this, open this a little and take this portion till here, like this. I am do it with me. It's a little bit confusing for you. I am doing this like this, and again take this portion till here, like this, and fold it inside. So now you can see the luggage is going on. And from here also you have to do the same method. First, take this side till here, like this. And from inner side, you have to fold it like this. So as you can see, it is the perfect side. And again take this side till the upper side, like this. You have to join these two edges like this and fold it from inner side, so you will get the perfect end. So you can see it is made like this. The luggage is ready. Now the t-shirt time. Fold this side to the back side and make collar of the t-shirt. Take this corner till the middle and this corner to the middle. It should be perfect in size. Like this, like this. The colors are ready, and now take this t-shirt till these sides and put this inside. Our t-shirt bag is ready. So our t-shirt bag is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hope you will join me till Instagram. I have also started Instagram and I don't post most photos. So see you soon in my next video. Bye.